Welcome to Expect Referrals. Look, we know you're busy, but just give us 3 minutes because we have something very important to show you. Does this look like you? Wondering what to do to get the most of your marketing? You need a website. If you're lucky to have the budget, maybe you can do some print, TV, or radio ads. Or you're more likely to spread the word about your company using direct mail, email, or maybe you post on Twitter, Facebook. No matter what you do, chances are you're spending a lot of money and a lot of time and still not getting the results that you're hoping for. Let me show you something. Let's say you did a traditional direct mail campaign to prospect for new customers. You went out and bought 5,000 new prospects. You spent about 50 cents per piece in printing, list, postage, and design. It cost about $2,500. You got a decent response rate of 2%, which is 100 new customers. And at an average sale of, let's say, $150, congratulations, you have a gross profit of $15,000. That's a net of 12.5. And today, that's not bad. But now let's look at a social incentive sharing campaign that we'll do for 6 months. Let's say that you see about 100 customers throughout the day. Over 6 months, that's 18,000 people. You create a program that you tell your customers to share a coupon with their friends and family, and if they do, you'll give them a reward. Let's say only 10% of your customers actually share with just 2 people. That's 3,600 new leads. And out of those new leads, let's say only 10% actually use that coupon. That's 360 brand new customers. At an average sale of $150, that's a gross profit of $54,000. Plus, those customers that you gave a reward for sharing, well, let's say 30% of them returned. That's an additional $81,000. You only spent $300 for Expect Referrals for 6 months, so your net profit is $134,970. Plus, you have 360 new customers, a whole bunch of happy loyal customers, and 3,240 new leads that you can follow up with. You see, most people don't realize, but when you systematically combine today's most effective marketing efforts, email, social media, and coupons, you have success. We call that social incentive sharing. Social incentive sharing is empowering your customers to share a discount or a deal with friends and family so they can try your service or product, and then you reward them for participating. And Expect Referrals, well, it allows you to do it with ease. You get to enjoy social interaction. You can offer coupons or discounts. It's completely personalized direct contact. It's 100% trackable. And most important, you have profit retention. Also meeting new future customers, as well as holding on to loyal past customers, is more natural and fun. Expect Referrals is proud to offer social incentive sharing at a price you can afford and a set of tools that everyone can use. But if you need help, just call us. Or you can go to our website and click on the Ask Us button. Expect Referrals. We're making coupons social.